Okay, good evening, class. This screencast will be regarding what you need to do to cover the content of the class for the snow day, makeup day. In this week, we scheduled to cover Chapter 9, Database Design. The learning objective for this chapter, and hopefully that you have read the chapter and also went through the PowerPoint that I posted under Module 5. The learning objective of these chapters are talking about the successful database design that must reflect the information system and of which database is part of. The successful information system are usually developed within a framework known as the System Development Life Cycle, SDLC. Also in this chapter, most successful databases are subject to frequent evaluation and revisions within the framework known as the Database Life Cycle, DBLC. Also, in the chapter, there is a comparison, or evaluation to conduct and revision within the SDLC and DBLC frameworks. And lastly, the chapter also talks about the database design strategy, top-down versus bottom-up design, and the centralized versus decentralized design. Now the questions. Somewhere in the PowerPoint of Chapter 9, there is a PowerPoint slide that talks about parallel activities in DBLC and SDLC. The questions that you need to answer are: what is the slide number that display a figure about the parallel activity in the DBLC and the SDLC side by side? And also, what is the figure number? Once you figure out those answers, post your answers in the discussion board named Attendance Recording Post for Week 5, and has to be done by Sunday, February the 11th, 2018 by midnight to be marked present for this week. Okay, class, see you next week.